Hey everyone, for this video, I'll show you how to know if someone has saved your WhatsApp number. With this tutorial, you will find out who has saved you in their list. The first step we have to do is opening WhatsApp. Now, type their number in any chat and then tap on the number once you send it. If you click on the number, you will see three options. Tap on the chat option and you will be taken to that number's chat. If their number says man, like MAN, then it's probably not added to the list. The second solution is checking their status. So let's just go to the bottom left corner of the screen. And as you can see, it says no recent updates to show right now. That means I don't have anyone in my list, or they don't have me in my list. The last solution I have for you is checking when they last saw your chat, or when they were last online, or when they were last online. If you can see that, then you're added in their list. It's that simple. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.